Ja, ek het dit ook een keer al gedoen. Toen ek soos hele 8 ure, nie 8 ure nie, soos 2 ure, jy weet, stuk werk, en toe, wel, ek het nie erin gestop
Nooit
nie.
Dit
Ja, dat is
sal.
echt stupid. Ja. Okay, cool. Ja, that was a good call. Okay, cool. Okay, so okay, each returned element will be a hash whose key is the table header. You should arrange to add a movie to the database. Okay, so a hash movie. Okay, so what is a movie? So actually, is it a hash? Kan ons 'n movie hash hierso?
Daar vat hy maar net soos die movie object, ja, soos elke movie is 'n hash.
Okay, so ek kan byvoorbeeld sê movie title. Dit sal die title vir my gegee het, reg? So iets.
Sal jy gou die Meta link vir my stuur asseblief?
Okay, cool. Ek het actually nog nie middags begin nie, so ja, dit moet ek actually gedoen het. Laat ek gou dit doen.
Okay.
Wacht, direct zo. Wat is nou sy probleem? Unable to connect to server. Please try again later.
Sê Matt daai dit.
Ja, kyk gou as jy 'n Mad session start. Is dit enige plek? Gaan kyk of 'n Mad server miskien af is.
Nee, my Mad werk.
Ag, wat kidding me. Wat is nou sy probleem? Dus ja, dan moet net Mad-Eye, dat is al wat jy hoef te sê, Mad-Eye. Ons het niks anders gesê nie.
Ek het Mad dash terminal gerun.
Draai dit. Ja, daar werk hy nou. Weird, okay. Okay, cool, so ek gaan vir die Mad-Eye link stuur. Okay. So ek ook seker om toe gaan.
Alright, so daar by daai eerste een wat ek gedoen het is, soos ek het gesê, vir elke hash wat inkom uit daai movie table uit, moet hy sê movie, create daai movie vir my.
Ja, en dan gee jy net vir hom al die hashes, want ek kan dit mos as 'n argument vat, is nie. Ons kyk dit gou, features, step definitions hierso. So, movie dot create. Kan jy vir hom die hash net so gee, of moet jy hom,
Ja.
of het jy dit opgebreek?
Nee, ek het dit net so vir hom gegee.
Cool, okay. So dan,
En dan,
sal ons dit seker gelyk in 'n variable, wat?
ek het sommer
direk gesave.
wat ek gedoen het is, soos ek het net hierso, wat het ek nou weggedoen? Het was, well, Dan het ek net hierso gesê funny movie object en dan kan hy net al daai.
Okay, cool. Moet die mens nie die movie save ook nie, of gaan hy homself save?
Nee, hy save hom, dus hy save homself.
Okay, cool.
Dan gaan weer die teks, ek dink dan sal hy...
Alright. Okay, wat ons gaan dit doen. Kom maar op. Go for it. Sweet. Kom het nou so goed gehardloop.
Want hy, wat hy nou gekyk het is, uitgesien daar is actually movies in die table.
Okay.
Background gedeelte.
Nou, kom lyk dit asof alles nou gepaas het hierso. Dit is tog nou nie...
Ja, dus jy is die ding, dan dit was gedeelte 1, create a declarative scenario step for adding movies.
Okay, so die toetse wat gebreek was, hulle moet nou almal werk.
Ja, basies daai werk nou, want hy het nou daai data in die agtergrond of in daai movies table. Dus daai given the following movies exist.
Okay, ja, nee, dit, okay, dat ek net gou hierso ook ran. Hoe ran jy dit? Is dit, as ek alweer hier nou. Cucumber.
Dus cucumber exec, wat is dit?
Features.
Dus bundle exec write cucumber.
Okay, alright, maar okay, so daai goeders, dit werk nou. Okay, cool. Okay, kom ons gaan dan nou maar aan. So dit lyk asof dit dan werk. So die ander wat 'n mens later invul, dit is vir ander toetse wat ons gaan skryf nog of gaan uitvlees.
Nee, ons gaan dit nou doen. Al wat ons nou gedoen het is part 1 van die huiswerk.
So ons is nou klaar met part 1.
Ja, hierso is successes when all the background steps for the scenario in filter movie list feature and sort movie list feature are passing green. En dis ons background step wat nou gehardloop het.
Okay, so dink jy ons moet maar aangaan na part 2 toe?
Ja.
Ek gaan nou nie nog 'n hangout begin vir die ander, want jy weet jy submit mos nou soos jy gaan of nie. Is dit net vir die laaste ene wat ons...
Nee, ek sien jy moet amper by elkeen van hulle moet jy submit. Maar kan ons nie net dieselfde jaar 11 vir almal submit nie?
Dis maar wat ek dink, dit is maar wat ek gedoen. Ek gaan nou nie 'n nuwe ene begin nie. Ons gaan maar net aan, né?
Ja, ek dink ook so.
Okay. Alright, cool. Okay, so part 2, happy path for filtering movies. Okay. So complete the restrict movies to a sekere rating in filter movies list feature. Okay, so filter movies, ons gaan so in Mad Eye. Filter movies list feature. Okay. Is jy goed uitgekom het of wat? Is dit wat...
Ja, sien jy daar, as jy kyk daar, as jy kyk na die scenario, restrict movies with PG or R ratings, dan is daar 10 steps geskryf nie, en dis kom al ons toets op baas, want daar is niks om regtig te toets, behalwe die background.
Cool. Ek verstaan nou. Okay, want ek was confused, toe kom alles nou weg, maar dis omdat dit is uitgehaal hier so. Okay, cool. So, restrict movies doen dit. Okay, so daai is 'n stap, ons moet dit seker implementeer, is wat hulle daar probeer sê.
Ja, hulle sê al die stappe wat jy moet doen, soos waarvoor jy moet skryf.
Okay. So die eerste ene is nou okay, so is daai ene, dit is nie actually iets wat jy match nie. Dit is net al vir description en dan begin die stappe of hoe is dit?
Ja, dan begin die stappe. Hoe
Okay.
werk is, hy werk soos met hy het soos 'n paar goed wat werk, given, soos given ek doen iets, wanneer ek dit press, dan moet ek dit sien. Soos hy het 'n paar keywords soos given, and en when en then.
Okay. So, wat hulle nou, kom ek laat ek net mooi hierso lees. Hulle sê, complete the scenario, restrict movies to dit. Okay, so dit is nou, sorry, laat ek net hierso. Ja, hierso. Okay, dis nou hierdie scenario. Ons moet hom nou klaarmaak. Okay, cool.
Ja.
So, use existing steps in web steps to check and uncheck the appropriate boxes. Submit the form. Okay. Okay, so gaan ons eers nou net hierdie invul met steps. Of gaan ons, wat is daar in web steps? Is daar op al 'n paar goedjies wat 'n mens kan doen?
Ja, daar is maar die wat ons gebruik is in movie steps. Ja.
Okay, so moet ons, okay, so ek neem aan ons moet nou maar eers begin deur om die feature in te vul. Nee. Ons moet nou maar eers hierso ietsie insit of wat.
Ja, as jy nou gaan kyk na jou step definitions in movie steps,
Ja.
dan sal jy sien, nee, waar het ek dit gesien gister? In web steps.
Ja. Hulle sê daar in web steps is daar 'n paar helpers, single line steps, scoper. Soos when something within this parent stable string scope. Given I am on, okay, given I am dead. Ja, the security I press. When I press, van the button, when I follow the link. Well, okay, so use this to fill in the entire form. When I select something from that, when I check, okay, seker when I check.
Ja, given.
Dit of dat.
Ja.
Check. Okay, cool. So
kan ek maar hierdie eerste stap skryf?
Ja, skop ons miskien af daarso.
Dan kan jy soos die volgende een dalk doen.
Ja.
Okay, ek het hierdie een gebruik, given given I check the following ratings. En dan is dit, dan pas jy vir my parameters van PG en wag, dis sonder aanhalingstekens. Okay. So dit is nou die steps om PG en R te check.
Okay, nou watse ding map daai nou? Map het nou web steps. When I click the rating, of is dit een wat ons nog moet skryf?
Given I check, wat ek het gister gesien.
Ja, hierso, dit is in movie steps, hy sê, when I check the following ratings, en dan is daar 'n lys van ratings, okay. Daar op lyn 25 in movie steps, soos hy, soos moet hom invul. So, kan jy my hoor?
Ja, ek kan jou hoor.
Okay, cool. So ek gaan nou hierso by die definition, ek gaan ons nou hierso kyk. So ons wil nou daai wat jy daar gesit het, wil ons nou map na hierdie ding toe. So hy sê use string split to split the ratings list. Okay. So hier kry ons die ratings list. Iterate over the ratings and use when I check or when I uncheck steps daarso. Okay. So die eerste ding is
jy wil eers al jou ratings split.
Ja, so wat kry ons nou hierso weer? Kry ons nou weer hoe kry ons die groups? Is dit weer $1 of is dit iets anderste? Jy weet hierdie groeps wat ons hier so kry.
hierdie ratingslist.
Ja, hier so het dit al klaar van ingesit. Okay, cool, sorry, ek het dit misgekyk. Okay, so die ratings is seker dan maar rating list split, nee, nie dit nie, split op komma, dan gaan dit ons 'n list of ratings, hoe lyk daai vir jou?
Ja, dis reg. Dan,
Okay. En nou moet ons besluit, ja, obviously moet ons nou uncheck ook in gedagte. Okay, maar kom ons ignoreer dit miskien net eers, ons sê, ons wil nou daai ding roep, when I check, when I uncheck. Okay, so when I check, dit is nou in die web steps, reg? Dit is nou, heel onder, al die ergens. Okay, so kan ons dit direk hier gebruik? Kan ek sê, when I check, kan ek iets sê, so when I check, okay, ons moet seker 'n loop oor hierdie goeders, of wat?
ja,
Die
so
ratings.
dis, ja, wat,
Ja, go for it.
alright, kom ons maak so, ratings.each do, en dan pas ons om, wat dink jy moet ons omneem, rating?
Ja, rating is 100%, ja. Okay, geef hom 'n rating.
En dan net end, voor ek vergeet.
Okay, cool.
Alright, dan ek het gegoogel hoe om soos dit te roep, dan is dit step, en dan pas jy vir hom hierdie, nee, dit is nie so nie, wacht. Laat ek nou eers onthou. Ja, en dan hier binne-in kan jy nou daai vanuit van die websteps gebruik.
So,
Ja,
when I check,
en dan sê nou, dan wil jy so sê field of rating wat ons hom genoem het.
Okay.
Ja, maar hy moet ook in aanhalingstekens wees, dink ek.
Okay.
Ja,
Okay, when I check, sekere rating, kan ek gou weer aan die websteps kyk. When I check iets, ja, okay. Okay, so of ek kan sê when I uncheck. Okay, so het jy if gedoen daar, of het jy een of ander fancy?
wel, ja, ek het 'n if gehad, as hy ge-uncheck is, maar hierdie is mos nou net om te kyk, ons het mos nog nie die if in nie.
Ja,
Wat ek gedoen het is, ek het gesê, if uncheck equals on, dan moet hy so step uncheck ratings doen, anders moet hy check ratings doen.
ja.
O ja, en dan onthou hierdie when hoef nie daar te wees nie, net dit so doen. Omdat daar 'n step vooraan is.
Okay, cool. So moet ek sommer maar net 'n if hierso insit.
Ja, ons kan dit doen.
If uncheck, wat is dit? Ek kan nie graag sê mekaar, is dit 'n do of is dit net, as hy,
Dit is hierdie aan wat hy hier ontvang.
okay, cool. Okay, so as hy aan is,
Ek weet nie hoe reg daai is nie, maar dit het gewerk.
nee, dit klink reg, of dit lyk reg, ja. Sorry.
Nee, is reg, ek maak net gou alles klaar, want ek vergeet gewoonlik om my ends in my gedink te sit.
Okay, cool. En dan gaan ek daai en daar insit en dan sit maar net uncheck. Ek neem aan ons kan daai aan deurgedruk het daartoe, maar okay, ons los dit maar eers so.
Mens kon dit actually gedoen het. Ek dink dit sou baie korter gewees het.
Okay, kom ons kyk as ons hom nou aan die werk kry, dan kan ons hom miskien daai if weer uithaal en hom net daar in sit dan.
Het Nelson jou ook ge-invite na homework free chatroom toe?
Nee.
Hy het nou net vir my dit gestuur.
So het ek dit nou gekry. Kom ons kyk wat sê. Hey Nelson.
Ga jy hom vra of hy nou wil join?
Ek sweer man. You could probably join us, right? I mean,
Die mense wat hierdie video gaan analiseer, gaan wonder wat het nou net gebeur.
ja, een bom so uit in die middel van dit. Laat ek waar is daai Mad-Eye link? Het jy die on-air link, het jy daai direkte link wat ek vir jou gestuur het gewerk, of het jy op 'n ander manier daarop uitgekom?
Nee, hy het gestuur.
Die direkte link, okay, cool.
So nog even. Okay, daar ben jy dit klaar.
En dan die hangout, of die Mad-Eye. Waar is dit? Boom. Okay, daar is het weer. Ons is baie eager vir sy hulp. Okay, cool. Hey Nelson.
Hey guys.
Hi.
What you guys using to do the work?
Mad-Eye.
Just using Mad-Eye, yeah, currently.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
You guys got the link there.
Yeah, posted it to you. Did you get it?
Yes, I did.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so we just started. So I can show you the 2 lines that we've already written.
Okay, cool.
So basically, part 1 was to, where's Mad-Eye? Follow me here. Okay, so maybe just let's start at the beginning. So the movie's feature list. So basically we have to start getting the background one going. Oh, you're in the Hangout. I can't see you in the Hangout. You're not in the Hangout, in the Mad-Eye session. Are you in there?
I did click on it, but then I went back to the screen. I don't know, maybe I need to enter the Mad-Eye URL still. I was just following along on the screen. Which one are you, the blue or the green square? The blue or the green or the purple square?
I am the blue one. I
Okay.
hope you're not the purple one.
No, I think I'm the blue one, yes. Okay, cool.
Okay, so basically they've started with a feature, but we will still have to flesh it out. So basically the only thing when you start is that this sort of background step fails. Movie have been added to the database, or movies have been added to the database. So to make that step work, basically in movie steps, yeah, at the start, the first function, they already provided you with this piece of code. So you get the table, hashes each, and then you get a movie, which is basically just title and name and rating. So all we did was we said movie create, movie, and then Alicia put in this just to make sure that we actually did get more movies. Okay.
So instead of doing that assert there, what you could have done as well as this, right? So if you put that bang there, so when .create bang runs, if something fails to save, it will actually throw an exception at that point. So you
Okay,
can
cool.
there without doing the assert. I mean, I suppose you can leave the assert there as well if you want.
Okay. So the save, does it? I was confused about that. So you don't have to explicitly save it. If it goes out of scope, it's going to save it, or what?
So movie.create basically is like saying movie.new with the variables and then movie.save.
Okay. Yeah. So I was thinking it was like movie new, but I can movie create sort of auto save type thing. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
So it'll implicitly return the new created movie instance on that line 7, but we're just not binding it to anything, so it just gets lost.
Okay, great. Okay, so we did that. Okay, so that's pretty much part one, because then all your tests pass, but I mean, obviously they have nothing in them, so that's why they pass. So part two, basically, we have to now start with movie filters list. So if you go back to movies filters list feature, just go, yeah, follow me. So this was all sort of empty. So we've added this to say when I check the following rating. So we create a new sort of definition or whatever you call it that can handle like a list of things that you click instead of doing them separately. Okay, and then they have if you go back to movie steps. That is the this one where they say when I check or uncheck the following ratings. So this they all did this for us already. So we added this. So basically we split the list that we get here to get ratings, and then we iterate over them. And if this part that it grabbed here is this is.
And this is where we stopped.
Yeah, so this must probably be
uncheck
and check. Yeah. So that's all we've done so far. It's like been 15 minutes.
Okay, cool. So like that stuff so far is passing, eh?
Now, Peter.
Yeah.
This writing is not going to work.
Okay.
Because if you look at the element of that, of the, what you call it, the checkboxes.
Yeah.
It's like ratings and then the name of the ratings checkbox. So I think in our case it will be something like this.
Okay. Where is that view?
Okay.
Sorry, I'm in like looking glass mode here, so I'm just trying to like get into what we're supposed to be doing.
So, that's fine.
Yeah, so the title, the ID for the rating is Yeah, ratings underscore. Yeah, she's right. You are correct, Alicia.
Thank you.
So you guys found the stuff that you did here with the checking, was that already here, or did you guys find that in the Capybara docs?
With this,
Yeah, I
no,
check
I'm
and
on
I
the
uncheck. Or
wrong.
was it here already?
No,
This
Alicia figured that out.
is in the web steps.
Okay.
So that was already there.
Okay, cool.
Well, in web steps there is a thing called when I check or uncheck. There's like a
Okay.
definition there.
All right, so it
we
does the
didn't
steps for you
do
already.
that. Yeah, so that's already in there. So all that we had to figure out was how do we call that from here. You know,
Okay, so they've done all the steps for us. We just need to like implement them in the correct place.
Yeah,
Yes.
hook them up. No.
So I uncheck blah, I check blah. Okay, I see at your line 89 and 93 in the web steps, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome.
So we were thinking that you could potentially refactor it a little bit, that you don't need an if here, but yeah, for now it seems okay.
Yeah, I suppose you could like save the check, uncheck in a variable, you know, using that like ternary operator, and then you just go when I and you pass that string into the thing. Might make it smaller, not by much, but.
Yeah, so do you want to give it a go?
Sure, so something along the lines of like, don't know if that's a great variable name, but anyway. So that question mark check or check, right? And then the other step is just step Q. I really don't like these Q bracket things. I don't know about you guys, but that's what they're using everywhere, so we'll just use it here. Check now. Is that right? I missed something here. Did I miss something?
No, that's correct, but it should be in
Quotes.
The whole thing?
No, just like, I don't know, the parts that you're trying to substitute or something.
Yeah, I see that's a weird syntax. Eh?
the variable.
Okay, cool. All right,
Yeah.
so let's just do this for now. And you guys just test that on your side, whoever's got access to the console.
Okay, I'll do that. So something like that. So where did it actually now do that step? Restrict scenarios. I can't see that step.
You're supposed to have the double quotes around the check valve.
Peter, can you just share your screen, please?
Okay, which one?
The one where you're testing.
Okay, you should be able to see it on the console as well. I'll run it there as well, but
yeah, my console doesn't seem to be working for some reason.
Okay.
Try refreshing it.
I'll just share my desktop. You can see what I see. So I was here and I ran Cucumber features, and so I'm just trying to see where that step that we just added, where that is actually being executed.
Okay, so
okay.
based on that, okay.
So it should be filter movies, right? If I just execute that specific test. So it should be here somewhere, but I don't see it. Is there 4 steps past? They did 4 steps, but you guys hear what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Or get what I'm saying.
that too.
Maybe wait, maybe we didn't save the movie features list. Let me just try that. Try this again. Okay, now I did execute it and we got an error. Undefined step, I check ratings.
I think we need to remove those double quotes, guys. Anyway, can I try that quickly and then we'll see?
Yeah.
Crap, my meta.
Just,
There we go. Step definitions. Are you on there, Alicia? So I think we need to do this. Why does it feel like I can't type today? What's going on? Okay, give it a try again.
What did you change now?
I just took the quotes around check away because I think if you look at the step definition, there's no double quotes around the check and uncheck.
Okay, let's try that. See if we get there.
Okay, now something else, right?
So now we're still unable to find checkbox ratings. Okay, there's an extra space there. So I think we need to trim the values as well that we get back.
Yeah, just put rating.strip.
Where? Here within the each or
just over here, just before you, like that. I think
use it.
Strip it away. That takes away any like leading or trading white spaces.
Okay, cool. Save that. Then I'll try that.
Okay, saved.
Cool, that is working. Okay, great. So given I check the following ratings. Okay, sweet, that's working. Alright, so
is that part 2 done now, or is we don't even read the test properly?
Now, Nelson, in part 2 we must write all of the steps. You see that steps in filter movie list dot feature?
Hold on a sec, let me get back there.
so this list.
Okay.
Yes,
So we've
and we are on
basically done the first one now. So now we want to say enter step to uncheck all other checkboxes.
Okay.
So, just one other thing, Peter.
Yeah.
If you go to web steps,
Yeah.
where did I see that? Then the checkbox should be checked. You see, there's a step definition where the check should not be checked and the checkbox should be checked.
What line is that?
I think it's on. Let me just see. 208.
Then the checkbox should be checked. Okay.
So I think what we should do here
is we should sort of
have another step.
To assert that sort of or what?
So then it should say the what's this? Ratings. Checkbox should be checked.
Okay, the relationship.
Or
Okay,
should not be checked.
depending on if it's check or uncheck.
Are we going to do anything with the within? I suppose we don't need to for this scenario because the only checkboxes are on the search field.
I don't mean Nelson.
So, because if you look at that web steps, like on line 208 and the one below that,
Yeah.
there's the, see that says then the whatever checkbox, and then within blah should be checked.
So what? Yeah. So what do you mean with within?
So I mean, so you would use within in Capybara if you want to restrict, like within this div, look for a checkbox.
Okay.
But if we have a look at the view, let's quick look at the view.
I don't think we have any other checkboxes.
Is this checkbox within a div? It's not. Yeah, it's within a form with an ID. So we could say within ratings form, just to be more concise, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
So according to the web steps, we need to say within. Just let me look here, within. Yeah, so within is a parent. So yeah, so we just put the ID of the form, which is search form. Wait, let me check here. Yeah, ratings underscore form. So something like, I think, is that right?
I think so.
There's like a colon in this thing though. I wonder what's a colon for? Colon space within blah. I think we need to do it like that. Try run that, Peter, and see.
Okay. Okay, can't find the mappings, ratings underscore form bracket. Check should be checked. Okay, so got an extra bracket in there.
Do we?
Yeah, in that
Where?
sheet.
Maybe I'm being blind.
This is not being recognized. That bracket there.
But yeah, it's part of the definition though.
Also, this should be checked.
No, it's not. No, it's not part of the definition because it's that is just.
Right, colon
grouping
space
it.
within. Oh, right, yeah. So take the brackets out. So we actually need to say something like that. Is that right? Maybe that doesn't even need to. I think it's actually like. We'll type in there. I think.
Yeah. Okay, let me just run it and see what it says now. Okay, can't find mapping from ratings underscore form checkbox should be checked. We need within there, shouldn't? Okay, we have within now. Do we have it the whole time?
This is the same thing where it should be checked if that check value is checked. Otherwise, it should not be checked if it's unchecked.
Oh, right. Should we be checking this here, though, even? Because I'm thinking this is part of the setup of the form, right?
Well,
if you look at the scenario,
okay, let me, yeah.
Scenario restrict given. I check the following ratings: PG, R. So so this is all set up as the scenario part. All ratings selected.
Okay, so the only part that we really need to check is when they say ensure.
Yes. So I think we need to do any checks at those points.
Ensure that. Okay,
Just take it
I
out.
sort of agree with that.
Sorry, Alicia, we're messing with your steps.
No, it's fine.
So basically, the point is that even the background, you don't need to verify. Steps like this, you don't need to verify. But here, when they say ensure blah blah blah, then you must verify that that is the case now, that you actually are able to succeed with that. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
then
okay.
is to say uncheck all other checkboxes.
Yeah.
So let's
So you
just look
mean
through the web
next one.
steps here.
So there is an unchecked one, obviously, but it's not like the rest of them. You know, there should be like a nice one like that.
Okay, so I think we need to add another given step here. Is that right?
Okay, the next one. Enter steps to check the PGNR. Okay, that we did. Enter steps to uncheck all other checkboxes. Can't we say, and I uncheck the following ratings?
Isn't it also given? Or do you say and? No, it's and, isn't it? Like and. I think there is and.
Given and something, given something and given something else.
So now we need to just give it a list of the other ones, right?
Yeah.
So G, not R.
PG13.
PG13 and T.
So like that, right?
Yeah, you don't need a comma, I think. Yeah, that's the only ones that are, right?
So it should be.
So fine, Alicia.
Mine won't work.
Sorry?
My mad eye, because I only see and I uncheck.
Oh, your mad eye gone wonky.
I think your connection is bad. The Google Hangouts also pretty bad.
Yes.
Yeah, it might be a connection thing. Maybe it
So
improves.
For the next, let's finish this part, right? The next part, maybe we break for lunch or something, and I'll move downstairs and we can try that Mad Eye VM thing that I set up to see if the responsiveness is a bit better. What do you guys say?
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, I see it on Peter's. Peter, run that and see.
Okay.
The scenario building thing is actually pretty cool.
Okay, that's working. What's pretty cool?
No, this whole cucumber thing. I like it.
Yeah.
Like I said, I've like looked at it, but I haven't like actively used it anywhere.
Yeah.
So I guess this is now where we need to submit it, right? So is there a web step to do that?
I think there should be. Okay, but what would be the command that we do? Okay, yeah, we probably have to look in the web step.
Yeah, so one of them, let's say submit or something.
There's a step definition when I press.
Which line is that, Alicia?
My Mad Eye isn't working, but let me see on Sublime.
When I press 50, line 50, when I press something, so that should be the button that we say. So what was the button? Refresh or submit, or what was that button called?
So it was refresh.
Refresh, okay.
Yes. Okay, cool. My Mad Eye is working again.
Okay.
What's the button's name? Do you guys know?
When so refresh. It's called refresh, I think. So should you use like capital letters or?
I don't know. Depends.
I think
the ID is just ratings _ submit. So I suppose we just put that ID in, huh?
So yeah, in the web step, they say click button and then the button, and I don't know what click button does, but yeah, let's try it. Let's see what
Just
it
save that
does.
file there. I'll save it. Okay, save it. I think. Hasn't saved yet. Oh, there we go.
When I press submit ratings, okay, that worked. Cool.
Yes, I think it just finds whatever ID on the form with that,
Yeah.
HTML ID and presses it.
Okay. Okay, so then enter steps to ensure that PG and R movies are visible. Okay, so I think this is going to go back to the movie steps. So there's a movie step.
There we go. I should see all the movies. No, wait, that's not the step we're going to implement.
No.
Yeah, no, we don't want to see all the movies. Okay, no, I don't see it there actually.
Maybe in the web steps, we just want to verify that stuff exists in the table. Maybe something to do that allows us to do that. Let's go through these. Go to our first follow, fill in. Maybe then I should see whatever text. Line 105 in the web steps. Or the regular expression one.
What line did you say? I should see. I should not see.
There's 105 and 113. Maybe one of those will give us something. There's a regular expression one.
Okay,
Yeah,
so then we're going to put in a list of movies there or something. So it's going to do a page should and then have XPath. So it's going to check for.
This is a regular expression check, though, right? I don't think we need a regular expression. We just need to look up the names of the movies. Then I should see, the text that it passes in will be the name of the movie, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so you're saying this one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
I should see. For example, what's it? I should see The Incredibles.
The Incredibles. That's a PG one.
All Nelson's favorite movies. Just put them in there.
I'm assuming we can go. Then I should see The Incredibles and Raiders of the Lost Ark and 2001: A Space Odyssey, etc. Right?
Can't we just separate it by commas?
I don't think that thing accepts that. If I look at the web steps.
Text. Oh, okay.
Did somebody update the web steps?
Yeah, no, the web steps got screwed. What happened there? Oh man.
I can't even see it now. Oh, the web steps is now.
Okay, it's back.
So somebody did copy paste in there, huh?
Probably me, because I could do undo. I don't know. Okay, let's just see. How does it match? No, what happened here now? No, this thing is still screwed.
I can see it, but not all of them.
Is it not the wrong ones there in there?
The web steps is showing the movie step or the features now. What's going on here?
Yes.
This thing is bonkers. Must I just try to revert it on my side?
Yeah, maybe just save the file and do a get checkout of web steps. Get checkout.
Well, we didn't change. No, we didn't change anything on it. Okay, so let me just do that. Web steps.
Just discard hunk on web steps.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, cool, that worked. Okay, so now hopefully it should be back to normal.
Okay. Nobody
Jesus.
update the freaking website, please.
No, I think that is. I'm gonna blame Mad Eye for that.
I'm gonna blame
That
Peter.
was weird.
Pretty sure you're gonna blame Peter. I'm gonna blame Peter.
Yeah, I'm going
Screw you guys. Okay, so this thing I should see. I'm just trying to look at how he splits it up.
So if you look there, line 105 is just saying, then I should see blah. And it's just text. So it's just going to say page should have content text.
Okay, so we probably can't pass like more than one parameter.
No, I think we'll just split them with ands, right? But let's just test
Will
that
that
one
work?
like that. We'll find out. Try just with that one and see if it passes.
Okay. And it's just seeing Incredibles. Then I should see Incredibles.
Excellent. Let's try and add an and in there and see if we can add the other movies.
Okay, so will it be like,
Basically, you had a dentist issue or something as well.
Yeah.
and should it just be the name of the movie or should it be I should see?
Well, he's going to try a shorthand now, I think, to just say and. But if that doesn't work, then we'll have to say and I should see.
Okay.
Is Nelson still there?
Yeah, sorry, I got somebody talking to me on my desk. Still here.
Tell them you're busy with really important work.
Don't forget you need to add I should see in there as well, eh?
Well,
Okay,
that's what
so
we
I
were just
should add-
asking.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
See, guys,
if
can't
there's
do
a-
one thing at a time. Yeah, I think that should do it.
Okay.
Okay, let me run that for you guys. Just save it.
Okay.
Oh, okay, save the file.
Then I should see this, and I should see Terminator. Undefined step, I should see this, and I should see that. It doesn't
I think it
like
needs to be
that.
on its own line, maybe.
Okay, let's just do this. Okay, try again, Peter.
Okay. Cool, that works.
We haven't even seen it yet. Okay, there we go.
Ah, you see,
it
I'm
works.
doing the spoiler thing again. Okay. Just chuck the rest of them in there.
That's the other one.
So we
The
want to
PG and
see
R
PG
movies.
and R. Okay, so it's Terminator, Harry Met Sally.
I'll do that one. I got it first.
Okay.
I got it first.
And then we need Amelie, what is that? Amelie.
Okay, fill that one in. Do we need anything else?
Yes, yeah, Raiders of the Lost Ark. Just
Okay.
rip me a line there at the bottom, or not. Thanks. That's it.
Cool.
Okay, let me just save that, somebody. Then I'm gonna run it. Not everybody at the same time, please. Okay, cool. Cool, that works nicely. Sweet.
And then the next step, I
Okay.
suppose, here we would start with a then and do it again, right?
And I should not see, then we should
Yeah, I'd also just
other movie.
Yeah, okay.
yeah, just
Alright, I'll
just
do that
continue
part. You
with
guys
and.
copy paste the movies and I'll do this part.
Okay. Just give us like a lot of rope. Okay, so I'm doing Aladdin.
Next one.
Crap, okay, sorry. I'm
Yes, I
gonna
did
get
the same.
chocolate.
No, too late.
chocolate.
Tisha's already there.
No, she's done the help. Well, sorry. You must nominate. This is like cricket, okay? You must nominate.
Also that.
I'm doing
Oh,
chicken run. I already had it like 10 minutes ago.
Alright, cool. Is that all of them?
Space Odyssey, but I don't have that. I'll put that in. Cool. This is like extreme pair programming. I like it. Okay, cool. Is that all of them?
Big Mama's.
Should still pass, technically speaking.
Yes.
Yeah. Passing. Cool. All right. Okay. All ratings. Okay. So is that now part 2? No. Okay. We still have to do all ratings. That's step 3, right?
Yeah, but
What does that
Part
mean?
2.
Yes, that's the next assignment part, isn't it?
no, that's all ratings selected. It's point number 3 for part 2.
In part 2, okay.
So that's the last scenario that we have to do. So they say the hint is consider counting the number of rows in the table to implement these steps. If you have computed the rows as the number of table rows, you can use a search in rows dot should equals value. Okay, so that seems pretty straightforward. Okay, but we have to do the scenario from scratch, right? So all ratings here. So when I select, well, given I select the following ratings, we'll put in all ratings or what?
Yes.
Yeah. Is there like an all ratings web step here somewhere? I'm assuming not.
No, then I should see all movies, and I guess that's what we are going to use there.
In the web steps.
Oh, in the movie step, sorry.
Yeah,
Yes.
no, there's not a check all type thing.
Okay. Yeah, so we must go, then I should see all movies. In that case, we're going to do a row count and just do the value thing like they said.
Yeah.
So when I check the following ratings, all of them, and I press rating submit, then I should see all movies.
Yes.
So given I check
I'm
the
going to take these
following
comments
ratings.
out. Or do you guys want to leave them here? Ones here.
No, you can rip them out. I know you like stuff to be minimalistic.
Commentalistic. Commentless. Is that all of them? I should see all movies.
Hey, what the hell are you doing here?
Hey, what the hell? I wasn't pressing anything.
Oh,
What
crap.
the?
Alicia, press your keyboard somewhere. There we go.
I did do that. Oh, wow. Can we undo? Jeepers, that's a freaky bug. It was my keyboard actually that was doing that. Jeepers.
I think it was
That's
all our
interesting.
keyboards because I saw my cursor deleting everything. When I clicked on the screen, it stopped. Then Alicia started, and then yours started.
Okay, cool. Can we undo some more? Undo. It's not working.
No,
How can
I
we
am
undo?
already. So it.
Oh, we must redo, not undo. Redo, sorry. Just do some more redos.
I accidentally refreshed my page.
redo.
And
Man,
if
this
somebody
thing
who
is-
ends up watching our videos, they're going to be laughing at us.
Oh man, we totally destroyed this thing now. We must just try and fix it up quickly.
Who's the light
See-
blue-green block? Is that you, Alicia?
I think that's me.
I'm the blue one, so the. You guys are
I'm
all
the blue one.
So.
I'm the blue one. There, see?
Everyone.
I'm in web steps. I'm the blue.
Oh crap, we're all blue. You realize that? Or somebody's like a cyan. Okay, let's just fix this
Keep
stuff
calm
up.
and carry on.
Yeah. So which one are we missing? Aladdin? Which one is just below Aladdin?
The Terminator, which is there, then Harry Met Sally.
We should
Okay,
not
I
see
did
the
not see
help.
one.
We're missing the help. The help must be in there. I'm gonna put the help in there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, nobody else do anything?
Okay, so I'm just gonna kill this, and then I'm gonna save and run it again.
Okay, nobody touch anything except Peter.
It's talking to you, Alicia. Okay, we're still Odyssey was damaged in the Fallout as well. I'm gonna fix that quickly.
Okay, we're back to where we were before that. Whatever just happened.
It's looking good, yeah. Okay, so who's gonna try the last one? Must I go for it?
Go for
Can I
it.
go for it? Cool. So I was thinking something like this. Given or something like.
And then copy this
Can
and
we use, yeah, can we use like when I blah blah blah, then I should see all movies?
Yes.
I press rating submit.
Yes. Okay. So when I click that and I press rating submit, then I should see
All movies.
all movies.
So just run that sucker.
Cool.
It should say the last one is pending or whatever.
Yeah. You can implement the step definition, I should see all movies. Okay, so that is in the movie steps, right? I should see all the movies.
Okay, so I think there's something in the movie steps that says something about counting rows. I'm thinking.
Yeah. So we must count all the rows in the table and check that that is the number of movies we're seeing. You have to compute the number of rows of, yeah, so we have to calculate the table rows and then
I remember
compare
when I
that
was
with the,
scrolling through the web steps, there was something here about the rows and stuff in the table. Field should have error. Ah. So nothing here about that. No, wait, this multi-line step scope within table or string with scope parent. Just look at the assignment thing again. So you guys have done part 1 in this video as well, eh?
yeah.
Yes.
Okay. There's something here about the table I see, but I don't think it's really helping us. The expressions. Hold on, I'm going to do a little bit of research here.
Yeah, well, they say that in the last part 3, they say you can grab the page and the page's body, which is just one giant HTML string. So I mean, we could grab or grab like the table row tags, something like that.
How about this? Let me get the chat out. Have a look at that. Because I see there's something about an XPath thing there on one of the web steps.
Yeah.
Look at the first answer to that one there. So page.all.
Where are you now, Nelson?
Look on that URL I just pasted.
Where did you paste it?
In the chat, in the Hangout.
Oh, okay.
That's the way I did it.
Okay, cool. Let's give it a whirl.
Did you do that already, Alicia?
Yes.
Where? Show me.
She did it like that. Okay, she just did it like that. So just copy that.
I did something like, I said my rows was equal to It was something which. Let me just get that where I did the homework actually.
Oh, she's giving us the answers.
No, but I mean,
Okay, this is what
yeah.
Google gave me last night. Let me just show you this.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was about to say. But
And
why
then
the
I did,
map? You don't
then
need all
I
that other stuff though.
this
You could
map
just
part.
do this. Wait a second. You go that. Dot count. Sorry, dot count.
Count, and then that should be equal to that movie all dot count.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay,
there's something
that's easier.
like that. And instead of the equals equals, you can also do this. It's more like Englishy, but it kind
Yes.
of means the same thing.
Okay.
Run that. Let's see what happens.
Okay, so page all movies rows count, that should equal movies all count. Cool. You guys are doing a fabulous job. Okay, that passes. Brilliant.
You must do me a favor when you say that, like wait 2 seconds and then say
Okay,
okay.
sorry.
What's
Yeah, I'm stealing your your high, your rush that you get from when it goes all green.
like
Damn it! Spoiler alert.
let's take a break.
Yeah.
I'll go downstairs where it's a little bit quieter as well after I've grabbed lunch, and we can do the next 2 parts. Is that cool?
Okay.
Well, there's just one part left.
Really? There isn't
Right,
a part 3? Oh yeah, there's a part 3 and the last. What's the last part? Just submission stuff.
It's just submission, yeah. So yeah. So it's just, I think, yeah, the happy part for sort by title and movie. So, but yeah, I think let's take a break and then we can, after lunch, maybe finish it up.
Okay, and we can submit this URL for both parts. You guys are recording this, eh?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop the recording.
Cool. Can you send us that URL at the top there after you finish the recording? Just
I'll-
after the hip chat or something.
Nelson, you can use the URL of the chat as well, or as the Hangout.
Oh, well, yeah. Okay, cool.
Yeah, you can click there in the corner. There's like links. Do you guys have it as well or not?
No, but if you copy that https plus google.com hangouts whatever, then it also
Perfect.
goes through.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna stop the hangout and then I'm just gonna pick up my kids from school as well. So I'll ping you guys when I'm back. All right.
All right. Cool.
Cool. Cheers.
Cheers.